Are you passionate about improving your practice? Do you want to make an impact? In this video, we'll dive into practitioner inquiry, action research, and program evaluation. These methods empower you to investigate your own work and promote change. Practitioner inquiry focuses on exploring educational practices. It's about asking questions, gathering data, and making informed decisions. Action research takes this a step further, involving cycles of planning, acting, observing, and reflecting. First, let's discuss designing your inquiry. Begin with a clear research question. What do you want to know? Think about the context and your goals. Next, choose your research methods. Will you use surveys, interviews, or observations? Select methods that suit your question. After designing, it's vital to consider ethics. Respect your participants' privacy and obtain consent. Ensure your research does not harm or exploit anyone. Ethics is the foundation of credible inquiry. Now, let's move on to the implementation plan. This is where ideas become action. Outline what steps you will take to collect data and when. For instance, you might decide to gather data over 4 weeks. Be specific, as timelines help keep you accountable. Evidence collection is next. Gather information systematically. Use tools like journals or digital forms to organize your data. This ensures you have everything you need for analysis later. Remember, the quality of your data greatly impacts your findings. Once you have collected your data, it's time for analysis. Look for patterns and themes. What insights emerge? Use diagrams or charts to visualize your findings. This makes complex data easier to understand. Based on your analysis, make recommendations. What steps should be taken based on your findings? Offer practical and actionable solutions. Your insights should guide future practices or policies. Finally, let's discuss presentation and dissemination. Sharing your findings is crucial. Consider various formats like reports or presentations. Select the best way to engage your audience. Make sure to highlight key insights and recommendations clearly. Use visuals to support your message. In summary, we explored practitioner inquiry and action research. We discussed designing inquiries, ethical considerations, implementation, data collection, analysis, recommendations, and dissemination. Each step is essential for a complete inquiry process. Are you ready to start your practitioner inquiry journey? Leave a comment below with your research question. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more educational content. Together, let's drive meaningful change in our practices.